Alright, I've been watching the charts for the past hour. I probably should have gone live a while ago, but I was kind of tired laying in bed. But now, I think we should be able to get some kind of opportunity now that the market's ranged around. So I am hopping on the charts here. We're going to see if we get something or not. Um, and yeah, we are approaching. This is the macro. Hey, what up, Ethan? So yeah, I've already been watching the charts for quite a while. So it's not like I'm just now getting on the charts. I've been watching him, but I didn't see anything I really loved until maybe now we might be getting something. Now I kind of like the short here, but didn't take it because we closed a little too low. I could have taken it on the 15-second, but the 30-second closed a little too low for me, and we never retapped that breaker. So yeah, I'm just going to look around here. Hey, what up, Snowman? Good morning. But yeah, I've already been watching the charts for quite a while, but I'm just now hopping on the live. I was just laying down. I didn't feel like. I wasn't even planning on thinking I was going to trade because the markets were down. That's a big reason why. Because I thought that we weren't going to get a trading day today, but we are. But now I'm hopping on the live. So anyway, what am I thinking so far? Well, we have this massive consolidation right here. So if the market does want to come down here, this will be a good liquidity pool. And it's conveniently right at the bottom of the RTH gap. So part of me thinks that we could go down there. We do have a S&T with previous day's high. Well, I'm still just trying to be patient here. We might. Yeah, we'll see. So I have a top step open. So okay. Why is it? Okay. So, all right. Let me try and lock. Let me lock in here. Yeah, I think there's a decent chance we draw lower. We're seeming like we're forming a sell model. We might have just tapped this 5-minute rejection block, actually. Yeah, looks like we just hit that. Now we might be getting a 30-second change in state. Looks like we were above all the true opens. So this is yeah, I'm just being patient here. Dodgy indicators going off for longs. I'm gonna turn that off for now. We do not have 730 true open. We got this true open. Hey, what up, guys? So like I was saying when I just got on the stream, I've already been watching the markets for quite a bit, but I didn't think I was going to trade today because the market wasn't moving, and then all of a sudden it started moving. So now I'm on the stream. So I'm going to get rid of this now. Alright. So honestly, I'm liking this 1-minute rejection block. I might wait for 15-second change in state off of it, and then short to the RTH gap. Something like that, right? We have this liquidity pool that's resting right at the bottom of the RTH gap. To me, that's the drawn liquidity. We got previous day's high SMT. We've got this SMT, this SMT. We have a 1 minute rejection block. Yeah, I want to watch this rejection block. Maybe we get a low time frame change in state off of it. Because at that point, it would be pretty nice AMD. Is this 90-minute SMT? Yeah, we got 90-minute SMT with this high, right? And the reason I'm not thinking bullish, in my opinion, is because this is an external gap. I mean, it's just a giant external gap. Next, drawing liquidity to the upside is these low resistance lows. I think it's more likely that we reject this new week opening gap and external gap, and then at least get somewhat of a retracement back within the range. Right? Because also, like, if you think about it from this AMD perspective, this could be accumulation, this could be manipulation, and then maybe we get distribution down to these lows or something like that, you know? So this could very well form the high. But yeah, I've been watching the market already for quite a while. It's so convenient that the liquidity pool is right at the bottom of that RTH. So, yeah, wait, let's check our GB range. I would ideally want to see high of the dealing range here, bearish for value gap partition here, breaker partition here, and then low here. Oh, that's macros. I haven't looked at that indicator in a long time. So this is too large. Let's go down. This is at the low. So this I'm pretty sure this is the draw on liquidity. I'll say that. That's seeming very confident to me that this RTH gap will be the draw on liquidity. Oh, first percentage gap, first percentage for value gap. We gotta look at that, man. That's probably gonna be pretty helpful today. So 930, 931, 932, 933. Looks like we're actually just using this change in state, and maybe this 2022 gap right here. Ooh, yeah, I like this. So we're rejecting this 2022 gap because it's obviously a sweep with SMT, break, displacement leg. Yeah, okay, so yeah, I'm probably gonna short here pretty soon off this first spin for value gap, or just like on a change in state here. Hold up. So there's that 2022 gap. Then we have another SMT here. It is worthwhile to note, like maybe we need to come up, get a soup of this high here. Yeah, honestly, that's possible. Oh yeah, we got a volume imbalance at the top here. So this is a suspension block. No, bro. No. Okay, I'm looking to see a sweep out the highs here on the suspension block, and then I want to see a line time from change in state out of it. Bro, where can I get the SMT indicator? Just look up SMT indicator. That's what I did. It's just Oro. It's this one's the Ouroboros one. There's a 30-day free trial. Okay, I'm looking to see us sweep the high and then get like a 15-second or a 5-second change in state back down. Because we got accumulation here. Yeah. So this is the name of it, SMT by Ouroboros. And I basically all I did is I looked up WAP SMT indicators, and it said a 30-day free trial. So and I'm liking it. Yeah, we'll be sweeping into OTE. Nice, nice. I mean, yeah, this is just obviously a 2022 model to the downside. I'm just trying to figure out the best way to get the entry, right? Because you don't want to mess this up. So you can maybe mark this out as an inducement. So So it's a 1 minute 2022 gap. Now we've inversed this. Okay, I kind of like this inversion. Just the short to here, short to the downside. Yeah, let's go ahead and try this. Man, I hope this, yeah, this should be fine, right? I don't know. Maybe we might need to go sweep the high. Maybe this is a mistake, but we'll see. I was right. I should have just taken it. But actually, you know what? Nah, it's fine. If I'm not sure, it's fine. Because I don't know if we're going to come sweep this high again. I want to go enter only when I know for sure. And I don't know if this is really that obvious. Obviously, we have a good draw on liquidity below, but I don't know if we're going to go right there. Yeah, that's good. That's good. So I'm liking this 1 minute this bearish CISD retest. I think this is nice. I honestly maybe should have just taken that, but so we'll probably go. Here's 3 projections. We're at that RTH fill. Because we are in macro. Yeah, I think we're going to expand lower as well. I'm just waiting for something obvious. So if we come up and induce the high, I think I might just soup. Or I'll wait for a reaction off of it. Here we have the vulture imbalance. You guys remember what I was talking about? How if you have a volume imbalance on the top of a 2022 gap, that's going to be very sensitive. So remember that. So we might just take this as a vulture. Maybe vulture entry. Oh yeah, I was gonna check Goldbach, but then I remember we already kind of checked it. Yeah, it's looking like time and price are starting to be aligned here. I think if we came up to the rejection block, that would be amazing. I don't know if we will. So it's a 369 time right now. You know what might happen is this might be the rejection block that holds price down. Let's try that on the leap, just because, as always, with the leap, you're just trying to get as many opportunities in as possible. So I'm going to go ahead and put a sell limit at that rejection block on the leap. but it's too risky on my real accounts. Too risky on my real accounts. Because it's just such a crazy trade. I'm waiting for some... On my real accounts, Yo, come on. On my real accounts, I'm just waiting for something obvious. Which would probably be a sweep of this consolidation. And then inversion that back down. I went short on BTC USD at the first info value gap at demo. I am still learning. That's awesome, man. That's really good. Yeah. The way I like to trade first info value gaps is I like to wait for a line time from change in state off of them. Oh, you know what? We might actually hold up. We might actually be retesting the first info value gap and getting change in state off of it to the upside. Sorry guys, this is such a mess. My chart is such a mess right now. Hold up, let me clean this up. Yeah, what is this? Why do I have that line? Alright, I'm cleaning this up, guys. Don't worry about it. It's gonna get cleaned up. You know what would give me conviction is if we went to a stat map level at 936. Hey, the high was at 936. 36.9. Oops. Yeah, we might just go lower here. We're rejecting that first presented for value gap. We have this gap here. But I'd like to be patient. We've already gone 2 projections. I'm just waiting for something obvious, guys. I'm glad I did not take that short because that would not have been obvious. Okay, I think I might just take a 2022 inducement, meaning short above these equal highs. And I think that's a pretty solid way to go. So I'm going to put stop above the rejection block, and then I'm going to target 2.3R, something like this. Okay. Where's left display? Okay, once we tap that, I mean, I might want to wait for a change of state down. Actually, you know what? Let's do that. Let's wait for time and price to align. No need to soup if I don't need to, but I could soup. We might just need to go to the rejection block. So this was an inducement exactly like I was anticipating. We got SMTs with it. Okay, I'll probably go, if we get this change in state off of this 2022 gap. So if we just got a death candle that gave us change in state here, I think time and price are pretty lined right now. So I want to just see some kind of like death candle. Alright, if we get this short here. Oh, you can't see my screen. Oh, you can. Okay. This is what I'm looking at right now. So if we get this. This is going into 1020. Might not be enough displacement right now. Okay, this might be the final manipulation leg. This is kind of looking a little better for manipulation, honestly. Okay. Yeah, because you see the high time frame AMD, right? Accumulation, manipulation, distribution, and low time frame accumulation, inducement. Okay, now I'm watching this. This should be good. We're reacting off the rejection block, I believe. Let's get out true opens again. We're above all the true opens. Okay, this is exactly what I wanted to see. Okay, 30-second change of state's gonna be hopefully pretty nice. Delivering from the vulture imbalance. Whoops. Waiting for time and price to land. Okay, we might go to the rejection block. Yeah. I agree. Guys, this rejection block will be king if we can get this. Okay. Inducement now. Alright, here we go. Yeah, you can see my screen. Okay, 7 seconds. We should be good in 5 seconds, 4 seconds, 3 seconds, 2 seconds, 1 second. Okay, I'm going in. So I will go break even at this swing low. We're in the Hydra macro. Because it's a 2022 model, and we have high time frame AMD, low time frame AMD, RTH gap below, We got inducement of the high. We have a previous day high SMT, 90-minute SMT with the inducement high. So I'm aligning the 2022 model for value gap on the 1 minute with a 15-second change in state of delivery. I entered on the close, and it's got good AMD. That's why. And it's going into the Hydra macro, so. Oh, it's not being taken as a copy trade. Oh, shoot. Shoot, it's not being taken as a copy trade. It needs to get filled. Shoot, it's not getting taken as a copy trade, bro. Wait, okay, I gotta... Shoot, bro, I gotta re-enter the position because it wasn't getting taken as a copy trade. So if we hit the entry again, I'll have the entry there. Have to take a different trade because it wasn't taking it as a copy trade. I'll have to take a different trade. So I'm gonna look to take this IFG instead. I'm gonna look to take the IFG instead because it's not letting us take this as a copy trade. Or it wasn't letting me take it as a copy trade. So I'm gonna look to take the IFG instead. So okay. There we go. So we did get it right. Yeah.
Order.
So I'm taking this IFG instead. So break even's not going to be there though. I actually don't think we got the IFG. No, we did. I'm actually going to go break even there. Yeah, because if we hold the first witness value up, then it could go higher, but I'm just now realizing I don't know if it inverts the first percent gap or not. Stupid fact I didn't copy trade it. That actually bugs the crap out of me. It didn't copy trade it. And so now I have to get a lower entry. Hope I didn't mess this up. So I'd probably go break even there. I think this is, dude, I don't even know if I like this because I don't think this inverse that, did it? I can't tell, bro. I literally cannot tell. I guess it did here. It did. It did. Objectively, it did. Yeah, objectively, it did. Let's just stay. Let's just chill then. Okay, let's just chill. Objectively, that inverse the first one for value gap, so it's fine, bro. Yeah. Not the first presented for value gap, but it just inversed the gap. Yeah. I got stopped out. I'm not gonna lie, guys. I guess maybe, I don't know. I might have messed that up. I might have messed it up. I don't know. It's okay though. Two-minute walk. But it's, oh man. The initial trade, that gets confusing real fast. because that's not where I would have put the break even spot. Well, actually, now that you mention it, yeah, because we wicked out the low like that, that would be a case to go break even. You're right, Claus. So I'm gonna go on a walk and then we'll see. Maybe I'll take another trade. Maybe not. I don't know. It gets tricky when the issue is when it didn't get copy traded, that messed me up. I'm not gonna lie. Set a timer for 2 minutes.
Oh, he's running.
It was a beautiful trade. Yeah, I'm not done. I'm not done. I might. I don't know if. I just think. Yeah, here's the thing. You're right, Claus, that I should have gone break even once we wicked out the low and then closed higher. The issue becomes. The issue is just like my mind is not thinking exactly as it should when it doesn't get copy traded like it should. I'm not gonna lie, that messed with me a little bit. So, but anyway, I went on a little walk. Now I'm back, and yeah, maybe get another trade, maybe don't. I don't know. Yeah, guys, I think the move might be actually just if we get this inversion. But we'll see. Okay, we are getting it. Okay, I like this. Um, yeah, I think we're gonna go run liquidity now. I think this is it. All right, I don't like how we wicked in there. Okay, I think we could still. I'm gonna be patient. So when we one, so we got a one purge, a second purge. Maybe we get a third final purge, and then we go lower. If we did come up to this rejection block, this would be so nice. I'm not gonna lie, I messed this up. That was not the trade I wanted to take. I didn't think it was that good, honestly. I wanted to take the upper one, and then I would have gone break even here. But because of the stupid thing not copy trading, then I took this entry, which was not actually, in my opinion, it's not actually valid because there's not really super good displacement, and I don't know. I don't think I would have taken it had that other one would have failed, and so it's just frustrating. I think we'll get Phoenix here. Okay, I might try this Phoenix. Or actually, I'll probably wait for change in state off of it. So maybe I'll just say maybe I'll just have this be a taken as a. Man, we are consolidating, huh? Dang it. we're gonna go lower. I just can't get the entry. Then again, I guess, hold up. I guess we are holding this New Day opening gap. This is a 1 minute 2022 model, so I can go on the 15-second. Here's 15-second change in state with a liquidity sweep. I'll for sure take it on the leap. Well, okay, I think I might try this. Maybe on half risk. Oh, I don't want to be in like. Oh man, I don't want to take a trade that maybe I should just be done. Well, we'll see. Let's see if we get a reaction off of this. Actually, you know what? I'm just gonna keep being patient. I still think we could get something. I don't know when, right? So this is on the leap. Like sometimes you just gotta accept like you're imperfect and you're a human being, and like this 1 minute inversion was not actually that great. So I think this could be a short. But the RR is just ridiculous. Like I don't know. It's not really too scary for me to actually take. I guess I don't know. Maybe it's because I'd prefer to take something else, you know? I might prefer to take this one. I think I'll take this Phoenix here. Or if we get change in state off of it. I don't know. Should I try this? I kind of want to try this. If we get this red candle, wait, let's see what time it is. Okay, I'm gonna try this. It's like only half risk. It's only half risk. And if this loses, then I'd be done for the day. If we start to get this placement, I will go break even. Dang, bro. Thought I was gonna get stopped out. If we hit this low, that's a good break even spot. You could even go break even sooner, but I don't know. So I could go break even here. I want to wait for this consolidation to get hit, honestly. Or at least for us to inverse this gap. So like, I want to see at least this gap get inversed before I go break even. If this 3-minute inverses, it should be pretty good. Okay, now at this point, maybe if we break this low, but I don't know. Prefer to wait till we inverse this, if we can. At this point now we have 15-second change in state retest off of the gap. So I haven't gone break even yet. So I'm gonna go break even if we inverse the 3-minute. So maybe I'm cooked, maybe not. I don't know. I just don't really care. I'm just showing up, trying my best, leaving, doing the same thing over and again tomorrow and the next day. You go break even at this low, at the swing low if you want. It's probably fine. Yeah. So you could probably go break even if we break this swing low, but I am gonna prefer to wait for see this 3 minute get inversed before I go break even. And if you wanted to, you could leave a runner for the whatever it's called. This thing. What up, bro? Might be cooked. It's the final question whether or not I'm cooked is if we react here or not. If we break this low, I'd go break even now. Ten-second dodgy inversion. I don't know how much I trust that. Maybe. Okay, let's see us break this low. If we break this low, I will go break even at this point, because, I don't know. I got stopped out. Alright, not my best not my best trading day, that's okay. Tried my best. First trade, definitely messed up. Definitely messed up on the first trade because initially you guys saw that I wanted to take the trade that I was initially looking at, and then it didn't get copy traded. So then I entered a subpar trade afterwards that was not nearly as much. I didn't like that one as much, and that's my own fault. I should have been disciplined. And then I took this one, and I actually liked this one, and I don't have any regrets about this one. I do kind of dislike the 1 minute inversion I took here because it's not that obvious that we're gonna go run liquidity. Anyway, good day. Exactly. I don't care. I think it could have worked out. I'm not really upset. I could have gone break even. I think it was okay not to. But you take enough of these phoenixes and some of them will end up delivering all the way lower. So I'm not, like I said, I'm not upset. I'm going to keep moving forward. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'm going to end the stream here. And yeah, I always got to make sure that the copy trading is set up before I execute. So anyway, I'm like way behind on journaling. I will journal everything, but yeah. Anyway, I'll see you guys next one. One day at a time. Peace out.